Bitcoin hitting another milestone again today, reaching a market cap of more than $1 trillion.
Bitcoin has now made its way to the mainstream and the news, from CNBC to Fox to Forbes.
Bitcoin.
But millions of people worldwide still have no idea what Bitcoin is or how it works. So what is Bitcoin? Simply put, Bitcoin is a digital currency that can be purchased either online with digital currencies like the dollar from a bank account, or in person at Bitcoin machines with cash. This currency is then used for investing and trading peer-to-peer for goods and services. The price of Bitcoin rises and lowers often, making it lucrative for those looking to invest in short and long-term gains. It can also be used to purchase things from Whoppers. Yes, you can actually spend your Bitcoin at a Burger King in the Netherlands, to a car.
As Tesla revealed, it's purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin and said it would soon accept the crypto as a form of payment for its electric cars.
Okay, so now that we know what Bitcoin is, how does it work? This is Jane. Jane has recently purchased Bitcoin from a Bitcoin machine down the road from her. Jane is willing to send this Bitcoin to her dad, Greg, as a birthday present to add to his investment portfolio. First, Jane walks her father through how to obtain and set up his Bitcoin wallet securely. She then initiates a transfer from her wallet to her father's. When this happens, the Bitcoins leave Jane's wallet and travel along a network called the blockchain. This network is made up of computers around the world verifying that this trade and every trade on the network actually occurred. This network eliminates the need for a single centralized entity like a bank in the current money transfer model. Instead, each computer that is connected to the blockchain splits the workload on verifying every Bitcoin trade actually occurred. So once Jane's Bitcoin get over to the blockchain, they are confirmed by those computers and passed along to Greg's wallet. Greg can then hold on to them as the price of Bitcoin lowers and rises over time, similar to a stock. Now some of you may be ready to purchase Bitcoin but are wondering how and what you will need. To start purchasing Bitcoin, you will first need a Bitcoin wallet. You can find these on your phone provider's app store. Once you have your wallet of choice, you can find an exchange online or go to the nearest Bitcoin machine. Companies such as Bitcoin Depot have many locations and provide an online service where you can purchase Bitcoin online. Was this video helpful in describing what Bitcoin is? What do you think the price of Bitcoin will get up to? Tell us in the comments below. Happy trading, everyone, and to the moon.